Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bomb, and I have an Amazon haul for you today, and it's a doozy of a haul. But I'm super excited about it. First, I got this photo sticker printer and cutter, by Liene. Liene. I don't know how to pronounce that. But I've seen quite a few other people haul this. I am in a book club, and half of the book club has it. I was like, I need it too, because of FOMO. And I had some credit, Amazon credit from returns, which is like free money, right? So I was really girl mathing this, and I had an Amazon gift card, and Mother's Day is coming up, so I girl mathed this into my Amazon haul. And my hubby's like, doesn't your Cricut do that? I'm like, no, Chad, you be quiet. It does not print. He's like, but you have a color printer. I'm like, but my printer doesn't cut. He's like, but you have a printer and a Cricut, and if you combine them, they do the same thing. I'm like, no, 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 no. I want this because this is easier. So I ended up with this, and I'm super excited about it. And me and a lot of other girlies are really into our journaling eras. A lot of us are joining the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journals and being flat and being able to create stickers, pictures, all kinds of things come into play. So I had to have it. I have to be a cool girl too. I did use Lisa, who is Leave It to Lisa's Crafts, her affiliate code. So I don't know if she gets kickbacks or not, but if she does, I want to help a girl out. So I'm going to link her video down below. I don't know if she does a more in-depth video um, with hers, but I will do more videos later on how easy it is and quality and stuff like that as I'm doing my journaling stuff. But I'm super excited about it. It is kind of hefty. I think it's like $2.79. This is like the base package. That's all her code was good for. They do have a creator code or a creator package that has like double the photos and sticker paper, but I wasn't sure exactly what I would use more. I assumed that I'm probably going to use the sticker paper more than the photo paper. So I was like, all right, we'll play with it for a while and see what I'm going to need more of. So that is the biggest purchase, and I'm super excited to play with this. So let me put this off my desk, and I'll show you the rest of the stuff I got. Okay, so speaking of being in our journaling era, I was influenced by Tony, who is Craft Purge, for these Alpha stickers. I've used a ton of Alpha stickers, and I've gotten a lot off of American Crafts when they were doing their vault sale, a lot from Office Supply Direct, and you can't beat the price. But if you don't want to do a bulk order or, order for those, you can get these on Amazon. I think they were $5.99, and they're basically $1 a piece as well. So you get the colorful ones. I really do like these small dot alphas. I used them in my journal. I plan on using them in other journals. They do kind of remind me of, friendship bracelets. I am a Swiftie. So you get black and white, and you get color, and there's 63 pieces in each. So this is a good purchase if you haven't purchased alphas anywhere else. And you like these. Like, they just give me typewriter vibes. I don't know. They're small. They're easy. I really like them. So I was like, oh, I didn't think about looking on Amazon because I've already done all those hauls. I was buying stuff elsewhere anyway. So I got a lot of alphas, but you can never have too many alphas, especially if you are in your journaling girl era. And I also got some guest checklists. I did purchase a stamp, a guest check stamp, but it is a bigger one. It's like a 5 by, or 4, I think it's 4 by 6. But I got these so that I could share with friends. These weren't not that bad. I'll have to put the price. I think they were $7.99 or $8.99 for 6 pads. You get 2 of this like purpley blue. I mean, it's blue, but it kind of gives up. No, it's blue. This like pinky peach, and then green. So I can share, and I can use them to do a little bit more like junky styles with, layer on top. I'm not quite sure, but I had to have some, and I've been looking at them for a while, and I wanted the stamp one so I can do that on like whatever color, whatever background, whatever I want. But I also wanted these too. So, and this was I think there was like a pack of like 3. You choose your color, and you get a pack of 3 for like $4.99. But I was like, a few dollars more, and I can have multiple colors and I can share and, you know, put some in the, you know, take some, leave some type of thing. So yeah, I had to get them. I also got these binder hardware, ring binder hardware, because I do want to make some trapper keepers. So I got these. I got a pack of 3. These I think were $9.99 for a pack of 3. I have found some on Temu as well, but for timing purposes and like not knowing exactly, you know, what I was getting or sizing and stuff like that, it's like, oh, let's go to Amazon first. Play with them. If it's something that I like, then I will purchase on Temu. But the pricing difference isn't like a whole lot difference. I mean, it's hardware, so hardware is kind of expensive anyway. But yes, I'm gonna be doing some trapper keepers. They did have different colors, but I'm thinking about doing some like Maggie Holmes type of trapper keepers. So I wanted gold. So that's what that is. I also got some heavyweight pink cardstock. Let's feel this. Let's see. A few months ago I was on the hunt for red, but now I want some pink to do like basing for said trapper keepers. But you just never know what you're gonna get on Amazon, and you know, colored heavyweight cardstock is just hard to find. Like, it's easy to find black and white, but other colors it can be kind of difficult. And I did find some good red. This pink feels pretty good. I don't know if it feels like quite 110, but it's not 75. I mean, it says that it's, oh, it does say that it's 92. I would say, yeah, maybe. I mean, just upon feeling it, I would say 85, but I think that this would work. It's going to be layered. It's going to be probably laminated and stuff. So I think that this will be okay. But again, like I know that I can order from, you know, 12 by 12 cardstock. You know, there's other places that I could order from. But Amazon makes it easy. And this was cheap. I think it was like $5.99 for, let's see, how many pieces? To say 25 sheets. I feel like that, I don't know if I'm going to get a better price than that somewhere else. So that's what I did. And next I got some seam binding. I want to make my own crinkle seam binding so I can do it whatever shade I want. And the stuff is not cheap. It's been on my like things to do for a long time. These rolls run around $20 to $25. I think the Snug one, the Snug brand, is a little bit more. And it has to be rayon, and it can't be folded. It has to be single. So it's not like super easy to find. I haven't found these in stores. If you found it in the store, let me know. But I was like, you know, Amazon, if for whatever reason, if this is not what I want, you know, I can return it, or, you know, I just bite the dust. But it is 100 yards, so it's not like there's, you know, it is a lot. I should be able to get a lot of seam binding out of it. I've been watching videos on it for a long time. I have all these alcohol inks, and I just want to be able to like make some seam binding bundles and have it match whatever collection I'm doing or whatever swap I'm doing. I want to be able to match things up a little bit easier. So yeah, that is what I'm going to attempt to do. I don't know if I'm going to attempt to do it this weekend or not, but this is on my list of things to try. I want to try to learn something new all the time. So we have to keep our skills up. So I'm going to attempt that. So that is my Amazon haul. I will link everything down below. Go check out Lisa's channel if you're interested in the sticker machine, because I think she does. Maybe, I don't know. I swear I thought that I've watched it, but she's had it for a little bit. Maybe I haven't. But I know that she's been playing with it because I've talked to her, and she gave me her code. So I'm excited to play with it and make some, you know, journaling stickers, especially like, yeah, I'm going to take some pictures of my animals and make some stickers out of them. So, you know, there's always a pet page. I want to share my spooky animals and put their stickers on things. And yeah, I'm excited. So, you know, go check it out. So if you want it, you can be easily influenced too. I think Tony just bought one as well. I don't know if she has any videos up on it or not, but it is the machine, the must-have machine of the season, I guess. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.